Marriage is both a joy and a place where you will be dealt unbearable griefs.
Where if love is strong enough, all griefs are bearable.
Not all. There are limits.
Catherine, I have odd feelings for you. I can't stop loving you.
You did stop loving me.
It is strange, but I may love you.
It's not love what you did.
You are the only person who has not loved me.
I don't love you. I will never love you.
Why don't you fucking love me, by the way?
I do, in a way.
How do you know?
You're my husband. I'm fond of you. In some ways, you break my heart.
I love you.
You do not love me.
I know my heart.
We are not lovers. We will never be lovers. You played a game on me.
Playing a game on me. I love that you see that.
I love that you see that.
What happened to that happy little girl who gave me a twig? I don't want to kill you.
She died. You already did.
I will cut your fucking throat. My patience is wearing thin. I loved you.
It's so wrong.
I know.
You wish to dance?
If it pleases you. Hold my hand.
Sometimes I think you're the only person who really knows me.
I do.
You look at me, and I can tell you sense all of me.
I just want to be with you.
That's what you want?
Yeah. You're my wife. Paul is my child. I will protect that which I love, no matter what. And what was here for you and Paul? Know that.
I believe you. Please leave. Never come to take it off me. I'm not ready.
Not today. I'd love to not love you some days.
It is a burden, is it?
Unrequited love is notoriously so.
A woman who has loathed you, tried to kill you, overthrown you, and imprisoned you, and tells you she loves you. What do you do?
Try and start breathing again. We don't want to kill each other.
There'll be nothing left of us. Fervently disagree.
You know you won't be able to kill me. You never can.
I don't want to kill him.
I can't kill her.
I love him.
I love her.
Have to.
Sounds like a challenge.
If you like.
I do like her. You wish. I understood little about marriage until I met my wife.
It is a game where we both win.
I'm honestly just so fucking sorry.
I saw a great love as kind of perfect love. Maybe a great love is a flawed one.